How to download and install Subnautica on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to install and play Subnautica on your PC or laptop. So to download the following game, you have to first of all install Steam. So open up a browser. On the web address bar type in Steam, and when you do that it's gonna take you to the official page, and here you have to go and press the install Steam button from the top right. It is gonna take you to the page where you have to go and select the device that you're installing on, and go ahead and run the installation. When you're done with that, create your account. As soon as you're done creating your account, go ahead and tap on the stores button. And so when you do that, it's going to take you to the other field where you have to go ahead and tap on the search game that you're looking for. That is, when you locate Subnautica or the game, then you could go ahead and scroll down a bit and go to add to cart. When you've added the game to your cart, next page you have to go ahead and continue to checkout. So type in or add a payment method, and once you've completely purchased the game, then you could go ahead and download the game and register yourself, and you'll have successfully downloaded as well as installed Subnautica for PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.